A day after recovery of an IED in the heart of Shillong, Meghalaya Chief Minister Congrade Sangma today said that one cannot completely rule out the political angle pertaining to the case. Informing that the government is examining all angles into the incident, Chief Minister Sangma said that HNLC's threat to NPP workers to quit the party comes close to the joining of four-time Congress MDC Lafrang Bla in the NPP today as well as the by-elections. The Meghalaya Chief Minister added that the government will re-examine the security arrangements and initiate necessary steps like deployment of additional forces besides others. Sangma in a strong message said that stern action would be initiated against the perpetrators. Chief Minister Congrade Sangma said that the Home and Police departments have been directed to carry forward the probe on the basis of evidence.
Motivated?
We are examining all those angles also. As correctly said, the statement seems to be right before the joining of Mr. Mantripla, and the statement happens to be very, very close to the by-election. So therefore, one cannot completely eliminate the political angle also. So those angles also will be examined.
So what about the security arrangement now with this?
Obviously, with all of these aspects, security arrangements will be once again re-examined, and necessary upgradation or whatever the additional forces will be required. The police department, the security department will look into it and take necessary action.
So the threat only to the MP, even the ministers, they said that this time they will not issue warning. They want a very warm statement warning from this side.
Yeah, that's what I said. So the police department has taken full note of that, and action will be taken on based of all the evidence and all the information that's collected. And as I said, firm action will be taken in this regards. See, in this regards, it is a matter that the department, the Home Police Department, will deal with the matter in terms of the investigation and the proper action to be taken. So we'll leave that to the Home Department and the police to take the necessary action, and necessary orders have been given to them to investigate and take necessary action in this regards.
Has anyone been arrested in this connection?
Well, the law department, the police department will give details about that, as I said. So the action is being taken. It'll be too premature for me to say it right now. But I've had a review of this late last night, after the programs of the Vice President. I had a review with the police department. I called the senior officials of the police department, and we have reviewed the situation. And necessary action will be taken.
So as people are scared to the timing of the statement.
As a political party, the NPP always opposes and condemns such kind of activities, Chief Minister Congrade Sangma said. Besides, Congrade Sangma also allayed apprehensions of NPP workers. This kind of threat will not deter the NPP in the elections, and the party will put up a good show in the ensuing by-elections, Chief Minister Sangma added.
But obviously, as a political party, it is something that we are not very we're not very happy about this entire process, this entire incident, and we've been very clear. Deputy CM and myself have made it clear that this is not the kind of things that should be in politics, and we condemn this kind of act that has been done, and we want to tell the people of the supporters of the NPP that there's nothing to fear. As a party, we're always there with them, and even as a Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister and all the ministers also are with them. Today also you saw that our party leaders have come in full strength. All our MDCs, all our MLAs, all our party leaders are here. So therefore this kind of threat has not deterred us at all, and we are confident that even in this election there may be a timing. The reason why they've come out with this kind of statement just before the joining and just before the election is also something that one has to see what is the political angle of things. But this will not deter us, and we will ensure that we work even harder now to make sure that in this election we come out successful.
Meanwhile, Meghalaya Home Minister Lakhmen Rimbui said that the police would do everything necessary for the safety and security of the people. Rimbui informed that investigation into the matter is still underway.
Every time the police department always focus on sensitive areas and leave out areas that they don't expect. Similarly was like Ukra and now Lashmia. Do you agree with this, or what do you have to say?
Partially agree, but the thing is that it is the duty of the police to look at all the areas of concern. But having said that, this incident of Laimukha and Lachimia have made us aware that the department should leave no stone unturned to see that this type of incident could be could be prevented.
So many say that this is once again a breach of security because yesterday this bomb was planted when Vice President was there, just 2 kilometers away.
I cannot say like that, but whatever happened, it is a call for the police department to do more. They have to do more.
Well, Rimbui said that nothing can be resolved by confrontation but only through dialogue. When asked if the HNLC had expressed desire to get in peace talks with the government.
So what's your take on this HNLC? Because even after expressing their desire to come to the peace talk, they are still indulging in such illegal activities. So what's the view of the government on their activities?
The view of the government from time to time is that, as you said, that nothing could be solved by confrontation. It is only through the dialogue which could be set up. But having said that, the government of India is clearly spelled out that shun violence come to the table within the parameter of the Constitution of India.